In this video, we're going to show you our favorite treatment for whitening teeth. And the product we're using is called activated charcoal. So this isn't really a recipe, it's just a one ingredient treatment. And you can buy activated charcoal in loose powder form or in caps, and either one will work for this treatment. So activated charcoal works to whiten your teeth through a process called adsorption, where it binds to toxins, plaque, and surface stains on your teeth, allowing you to brush them away and remove them. So to use this, you can dip a damp toothbrush into the pot of powder, or if you're using capsules, you can open a cap onto your toothbrush, and then brush it onto your teeth for a few minutes, and then let it sit on your teeth for a few more minutes. So normally, if I'm using it, I'll brush it onto my teeth really well, and then maybe wash my face or go do something else for a few minutes just to give the adsorption process time to really work. And then I'll come back and brush my teeth again and rinse out all the charcoal. I usually use this about 3 times a week, and I really notice a difference from using it. I also recommend using this treatment in combination with daily oil pulling, which is a process that we explain in the book, and using our tooth powder or toothpaste recipe daily.